For many Canadians right now, the very big question, how will Omicron affect holiday plans, including travel? Well, today the federal government advised people against leaving the country, prompting this question to us.
Hi, Dan from Fort Erie here. Now that the government has advised against any unnecessary international travel, I have booked a trip to Cuba for the new year. Just how risky is it to go ahead with my plans?
Dr. Barrett, poor Dan, what would you say to him?
Oh, Dan, I feel for you. I really do. And I think we'd all love a palm tree or two in our near future. Tough to know these days right now. So recognizing that this Omicron variant, as mentioned earlier, is already present in Canada, this is not just about preventing Omicron from coming here. It's about understanding and keeping virus as low as we can. And one of those tools is to limit the amount that gets brought in. To be honest, things are changing quickly, and I think no one has a crystal ball right now. Whether it's impossible to know whether you're going to have to cancel or change something, but the take home is we do have a lot of tools if you do decide to go. Do your risk assessment, make sure you stay in places that do not have high areas of COVID for your own personal safety. Only go if you're fully vaccinated, obviously. And when you come back, there is this part of the testing that needs to happen. So being sensible, being mindful, and looking at the risk of where you're going, I think are practical tools right now. And keeping a really close eye on what the epidemiology says, both in Canada and the place you're going, is going to have to be the strategy for the next 2 weeks.
We've got another question for you, Dr. Barrett. This is from Wendy in Mississauga.
Hi there. I am just out shopping for the day, and I have definitely got a question. I am super excited about finally being able to have some sort of a Christmas this year, but with everybody coming over, is there a limitation on how many people we should be having in the house? Should we be doing something outside? We're having a little bit of this mild weather. Or, how about rapid testing? Should I just get a bunch of rapid tests and have everybody test, including our family, prior to having everybody in for dinner? Look forward to the response.
And so we have just about 25 seconds for this. A way to gather more safely, Dr. Barrett.
Hopefully with vaccinated folks, if there are vulnerable folks there, yes, do go for the rapid test and have them done the day of. Make sure that if you can do things outside, that's a great idea. If you're inside, make sure everyone is well that day. Masks, some ventilation if you can. I know it's hard in the winter. And then obviously keeping the number of social groups that are different and independent as small as you can at these gatherings. Don't have all the gatherings all the time. Some of the gatherings, some of the time this year.
All right, Dr. Barrett, thank you.